Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of birch wood. Known for its stunning grain patterns and versatility, birch wood is a favorite among woodworkers and crafters alike. But what truly sets it apart? In this video, we'll explore the unique properties of birch wood, including its durability, workability, and beautiful finish. We'll also uncover tips on how to best utilize birch in your projects, whether you're crafting furniture, decorative items, or art pieces. Join us as we unveil the secrets behind birch wood and inspire your next woodworking adventure. What are the main types of birch wood used in woodworking? The main types of birch wood used in woodworking include yellow birch, known for its strength and durability, has a pale yellow to light brown color. Frequently used for furniture, cabinetry, and flooring. White birch features a lighter color with a smoother grain. Often used for decorative items and plywood. Has a fine texture, making it easy to work with. River birch, known for its distinctive bark and attractive appearance. Typically used for furniture and cabinetry. Has good resistance to decay, making it suitable for outdoor projects. Black birch, darker in color with a rich, warm tone. Often used for specialty items and fine woodworking. Has a fine grain that takes stain and finish well. These birch varieties offer a range of aesthetic and functional qualities, making them popular choices among woodworkers. What are the key differences in workability between these birches? Here are the key differences in workability between the main types of birch wood. 1. Yellow birch. Workability, generally easy to work with. It machines well and holds screws and nails effectively. Finishing, takes stain and finish well, resulting in a smooth surface. Density, moderately dense, providing strength but may require sharper tools for cutting. 2. White birch. Workability, very easy to work with due to its fine texture. It can be shaped and carved easily. Finishing, takes paint and stain exceptionally well, providing a clean and attractive finish. Density, slightly less dense than yellow birch, making it easier to cut and shape. 3. River birch. Workability, fairly easy to work with but can be somewhat more challenging due to its irregular grain patterns. Finishing, accepts stain and finish well, but the appearance can vary depending on the grain. Density, moderate density, providing good strength while being manageable for various woodworking tools. 4. Black birch. Workability, can be more challenging to work with due to its density and hardness, requires sharp tools for best results. Finishing, takes stain and finish well, but the dark color can sometimes affect the final appearance. Density, denser than other birches, which can make it more resistant to wear but also harder to cut. Summary: yellow birch and white birch are typically the easiest to work with, while black birch may require more effort due to its density. River birch offers a balance but may present challenges due to its irregular grain. Each type has unique characteristics that can influence project outcomes. What are the best uses for each type of birch wood? Here are the best uses for each type of birch wood. 1. Yellow birch. Furniture, ideal for making sturdy and attractive furniture pieces like tables and chairs. Cabinetry, commonly used in kitchen cabinets and built-ins due to its durability and aesthetic appeal. Flooring, suitable for hardwood flooring, as it withstands wear and tear well. 2. White birch. Decorative items, great for crafting decorative pieces such as bowls, vases, and art objects, due to its fine grain and smooth finish. Plywood, frequently used in the production of high-quality plywood for cabinetry and furniture. Craft projects, popular for small craft projects where a clean, light finish is desired. 3. River birch. Outdoor furniture, good for outdoor furniture and structures as it has some resistance to decay. Landscape features, used in garden furniture and decorative landscape features due to its attractive appearance. Cabinetry can be used in cabinetry where a unique look is desired, given its varied grain patterns. 4. Black birch. Fine woodworking. Excellent for specialty items and fine woodworking projects, such as musical instruments and high-end furniture. Turned objects. Great for lathe work and turning, making it a favorite for bowls and decorative items. Inlays and marquetry. Suitable for detailed inlays and marquetry due to its rich color and fine grain. Summary. Yellow birch is versatile for furniture and cabinetry. White birch shines in decorative and craft projects. River birch is suited for outdoor applications, and black birch is perfect for fine woodworking and specialty items. Each type has unique properties that make it ideal for specific uses. The hardness levels of the main types of birch wood can be compared using the Janka hardness test, which measures the resistance of wood to wear and denting. Here, how they stack up. 1. Yellow birch. Hardness, approximately 1,260 lbf, pounds force. Characteristics. Moderately hard, making it durable and suitable for heavy-use applications like furniture and flooring. 2. White birch. Hardness, approximately 1,200 lbf. Characteristics. Slightly softer than yellow birch, it is still durable and works well for a variety of applications, including crafts and decorative items. 3. River birch. Hardness, approximately 1,050 lbf. Characteristics. Softer compared to yellow and white birch, making it easier to work with but still provides decent durability for outdoor and decorative applications. 4. Black birch. Hardness, approximately 1,470 lbf. Characteristics. The hardest of the birches, making it suitable for fine woodworking and items that require greater resistance to wear. Summary. Yellow birch, 1,260 lbf, moderately hard. White birch, 1,200 lbf, slightly softer. River birch, 1,050 lbf, softer. Black birch, 1,470 lbf, hardest. In summary, black birch is the hardest, followed by yellow birch, white birch, and river birch, which is the softest among them. This hardness influences their respective uses in woodworking. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the secrets of birch wood. We've explored its unique properties, workability, and the best uses for each type of birch. From its stunning grain patterns to its versatility in woodworking, birch wood truly stands out as a fantastic material for both beginners and experienced crafters. Whether you're crafting beautiful furniture, decorative items, or fine art pieces, birch wood offers endless possibilities. We hope this insight inspires you to incorporate birch into your next project. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more woodworking tips and secrets. Happy crafting and see you in the next video.